everybody? Welcome to the Cat in the Hat Analog Horror. We're gonna go ahead and give it a like. Make sure to check out Chris Archives. We have a bunch of comments already. We're gonna be just 102 comments. Almost there. Yeah. In the hat. Meow in the Hat. Anyways, we're gonna be reacting to the Cat in the Hat, which this is actually really cool because this is like a box TV kind of style. So yeah, we're gonna be reacting to this. I have to just take down my headset. I'm gonna put one ear out, that way I can hear what Flame Sky's saying.
Oh yeah, I'm here.
Can't hear this. That kind of scared me.
Nah, I was a bit scared.
Emily, sweetie, it's only tonight.
Oh, great thing! We have
the baby's
captions
will
on.
be here any
Yeah.
minute. Her
So
name's
then we'll
Sarah.
have to hear
She's really nice.
Pick up the house phone if you need anything. And don't
Okay.
open the door for anyone you don't know.
Okay.
Understood?
Okay.
Okay.
Will you call me when you get there? Of course we will. We love you.
We're placing the mouse to the side. That's kind of creepy, bro. Doorbell just rang.
Is there an eye outside?
Well, hello.
With Google
There
Play,
was a
you
smile!
can play unlocked.
There was a smile!
Unlock rewards.
Or is that just a house?
Oh my god, there's a smile in the background.
No, it's just a house.
Oh my god, okay.
There's
Well,
like...
hello. You must be Emily.
What a weird
my name? Are you wearing a costume?
I'm not wearing a costume. I'm the Cat in the Hat. And
Why does he sound like Mr. Winkle? He sounds like Mr. Winkle from SML.
What's your name?
Penelope.
That's good. That's really good. So give us a little 360 so I can...
And he just kind of looks anime.
yes, I know a lot of things. I'm here to make tonight really
You can hear us, right?
My parents don't let me
A little
talk to
bit?
strangers.
Just come over here.
I'm waiting for the babysitter.
Oh, poor thing. Sarah had a little accident. Nothing serious, but she won't be able to make it. So they sent me instead. Isn't
Oh,
a
she had a little
talking cat
accident.
way better than a boring babysitter?
Can you really talk?
I can do a lot more than talk. Will you let me in? I promise we're going to have fun.
Nuh-uh.
No.
Ew. Ew. Titties.
He's so
Was that titties?
I was a rabbit. That was his arms.
Those are titties.
Oh my god.
whoa! How did you do that? He's so pretty.
Just a little trick, see? Not alone anymore.
It's
Ew.
like a princess castle. How do you do that? Can you read minds?
The go backer.
Little. I know you like happy colors when you're scared, and I know you're scared of being alone. But you don't have to be anymore. I'm here to keep you entertained until your parents
Okay,
come
I'm here to
back.
kill you.
Shall we play hide and seek? I'll count first.
Yeah.
Oh hello.
I'm hiding in the closet, bro. I'm hiding in the closet under all the clothes. Bro's never gonna find me.
Yeah, I would hide. Yeah.
I would hide under the bed too.
That's where she's hiding. I think.
Okay, no, this is scary.
Yeah, no, this is creepy. He's gonna pop out. There's gonna be a
Come
hand.
on, you have to hide better than that.
Ew!
What the fuck?
Please be happy. Like, don't be like Skelly.
Who's this? Curtain. Wait, he knows everything. Bruh. Oh no. No.
Oh
No,
no,
no.
try harder next time.
Better not open those curtains.
Please. Okay. Can you hear that?
It's nice sound. He knows everything.
Yes.
It's pointless to hide.
He's hard.
Huh.
Oh no.
What was that?
Why is it red?
No, it's just a light. Okay, close that. Why did he tell? No.
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 This isn't fun if you don't hide properly, Emily.
No. No. Go away.
Now I'm Simon. We're playing Simon Says.
All right, boss, you're in charge.
Simon says, touch your hat.
No.
Simon
That's
says,
easy.
hop on one foot. Simon says, pull a rainbow cat out of your hat. Zing!
Oh my god! It's a gay warrior cat.
You lost, silly. I didn't say Simon says.
Oh, how silly of me, little one. You win this
Simon
round,
says,
little mouse.
don't exist.
But not for long. He's just gonna say, but not for long. That's creepy, bro. It's creepy. It's very creepy.
Time to smash them.
Don't ask what I thought those were.
That is special.
I thought-
It hits really hard even if you don't swing strong. Let's get lots of candy.
No, those are bodies, aren't they?
Oh, those are bodies.
Oh. See? Oh,
Dad! No! What did you do?
Surprise! I knew you missed them so much. I brought them back so you could play with them. Isn't it wonderful?
You're a monster! You're
We
a
have a
monster!
gun.
Get out!
Get.
Get out of my
Get
house!
away.
You didn't like the trick?
it's
I thought it would make you.
parents. Oh, no. Ew, go away. Get away. Emily, run. Run. Emily.
Copyrighted.
Emily, run! Run, Emily! Emily, run!
Play hide and seek.
Teak.
I chase. You
I chase.
hide.
Hide in the closet on the closet. I'm peeking. It's scary as fuck.
No. No.
You're dead.
If I get jump scared, I'm leaving. I'm leaving this recording.
If I get jump scared, oh, is she hanging?
The windows are gone.
If she pops out one more goddamn time, I'm leaving this recording session.
If who pops out?
The cat in the hat.
Please,
It's a me.
What?
What's your emergency?
there's a monster in my house. You're my mommy and daddy. Please, come quick.
Okay, sweetheart, stay calm. What's your name?
Emily. Emily Smith.
Good girl.
Good girl. Tell me what exact. It's the cat in the hat, isn't it? Good girl.
Oh no!
Tell me exactly what's happening.
A monster captured my spirit, and now he won't stop chasing me.
Just tell me your address.
Alright, just tell me your address, princess.
Don't.
It's 142.
Ew, okay, no.
No. No.
Let's
No.
play something else, little
No.
mouse. A simple game.
No.
Rock, paper, scissors.
No. Gun.
Emily, yes, that's my girl. That's my girl. She's not gonna lose. She's not gonna lose. She's a big, fat girl. She's the biggest girl ever. She's gonna win.
There's paper. No.
Oh no.
Oh no. Jeez. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no.
Now it's time for the. Oh my god! What?
I can't feed properly if you won't play nicely. Fine, I'll give you an exit. Just
Did you rip her apart?
And you'll be with your parents. Don't you want that?
You can hear this, right?
Yes. Did you rip her apart? What was that?
I just a crack.
No. No. Go away. What are you?
No. It looks kind of like a brush from the boys.
Fuck you!
You fucking cat! Fuck you, you fucking cat! Just no, Flames guy. The fact
There were footsteps? You heard footsteps?
yeah, listen to this. Listen, like really closely. Hey, my name is Greg. Hey, my name is Greg, and I really like.
You're alone too.
No. No, we're not.
Meow.
And even if we were, we have what the fuck?
Is that her mangled body? That looks like Mickey Mouse, kinda.
Yeah. Well, the caption did say Mickey. Please stop.
I heard that. Is he? Right? Oh, yep.
No, not.
No, come here. I'm scared, bro. I'm scared.
No.
I'm scared. Okay, I'm getting away.
It's gonna be quicker. No. Oh, thank God.
Oh, thank God, bro.
Oh, thank God.
Oh, rest in peace, Emily, bro.
She got torn apart by the Cat in the Hat.
Yeah,
Mickey.
man.
She got brutally mutilated. She got stabbed. Probably ripped apart. Poor Emily.
Chris Archives, voice actress Emily, Ella, Mother, Letta, Shadow Strike.
Shadow Strike. I like that name. Word cat name.
Father, Connor, Alan, the cat, Nathan, Connor. There's still gonna be something at the end, isn't there? I swear to Jesus, there's something at the end. I'm not really. I'm probably just gonna say the end. Oh my God. Google jump scare. I actually want to see what's at the end. Google jump scare. That's it. Yeah,
Google just
It already has. Never mind. 550k. 50.
calling her Little Mouse because he's a big cat. Oh.
Amazing work. I love the idea of a cat being a really reality shifting monster. I hope you do more ideas like this in the future. Well, guys, that's the end of this video. It was 11 minutes long. If you want more videos like this, comment, like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Peace. Come here. 3, 2, 1. Peace.